Hey, this is just a short video to try and give some perspective of just how efficient my magnifying rectifier system is. So the wire that has the signal on it that's feeding this system is here. Now, if you've seen my previous video with this little detector, just a little LED and a rectification, I'm going to touch the detector on the wire that's feeding this system. So now you see I'm getting nice bright LED, sorry, but the motor's stopped. I'm creaming off that signal. So that energy, where I'm just getting this, when I remove from here, it goes into my magnifying rectifier and it's now enough to drive this 12-volt motor. That is phantasmalogic. It depends how I've got the configuration set up. I will just say, this is not working in a conventional manner that you would generally imagine. For example, okay, this is the coil, its outputs, this is the rectification, right? So, why would a DC system nearly stop? Let's say, hang on, I touch the motor. It's going, but I took a lot of energy off it. Alright, and if I touch the multimeter leads, I can actually quite dampen its energy. I'm just touching them. So it's all about the displacement current that's traveling through, and I strongly believe this is basically a different type of current. Bearing in mind the antenna system is using Tesla bifilar pancake coils which align both the E and V vectors. And my magnifying coil here is similar in design, although fundamentally different. It also aligns the E and V vectors. And so its energy output, it's like it's under some sort of increased tension. It's a different type of... It's a dynamic DC that ends up as a result as well. It's not smooth DC, so we've got, it's still wave fronts. We have a positive pulse on one wire traveling alongside a negative pulse along another wire. And then I have my common in between. And in this case, if I didn't give it, although this is the rectifier and the capacitors here, if I don't give that displacement current somewhere to go, this won't run. So see this red wire here? This is my common. It's neither positive nor negative. It has to go to an earth wire and lie on the ground. Without that, this won't run. 7.3 and thanks for watching.